Sicon Projects is designed for businesses requiring a real-time view of their project costs and profitability, all from within Sage 200. Whether working on small, medium or large projects, the versatility of this solution is ideal for all types of organisations. This module is fully integrated with Sage 200 purchase order processing, sales order processing, stock, purchase, sales and nominal ledgers for the purpose of recording costs and revenue against individual projects. Coupled with 100% project to nominal reconciliation, users can be confident that projects balance with nominal reports. At its core, this module is predominantly focused around project costing, but it does include some project management functionality. Coupled with seamless integration to other Sicon modules, this combination creates an ideal solution for a multitude of sectors, including manufacturing, construction, service and software development. Key features: single source. Negates the need to store and report on project costing data outside of Sage 200, resulting in a live, real-time view of the project as transactions are updated. Easy to use. Projects are quick and simple to set up, with just a few simple clicks required to create a project. Predefined project templates further simplify this. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Projects is installed and maintained within Sage 200. This is advantageous as the modules look, feel and act as part of Sage 200, meaning users don't have to learn a new system. Key benefits: create phases, stages and activities within projects, with options to add operations, planned purchases and tasks at an activity level. Budget by cost heading and optionally by period and cost heading. Labour can be recorded directly into a project, with an option to plan on the built-in scheduler to create committed labour. Labour can also be recorded against a project via Sicon approvals or Sicon shop floor data capture. The project inquiry and management screen provides a simple view of any project, showing all costs and revenues. Drill down to any detail or transaction history and instantly identify outstanding sales, purchase orders as commitments. Purchase invoices can be linked to multiple projects and cost headings at entry. Each sales order and purchase order line can be linked to a separate project and show as commitments. Stock issues and returns can be made to projects and cost headings. Cost revenue at completion functionality provides a mechanism to reforecast a project, generating accrual journals. The inbuilt CVR inquiry provides a single screen showing the year-to-date, current period and overall actual, accrued and total sales costs. Sicon Projects is available as a standalone module, but works seamlessly alongside many other Sicon solutions. Projects for construction. This provides users with a single view of the performance of their construction projects. Full nominal to project reconciliation ensures all Sage 200 sales, purchase and stock transactions are recorded against a project. Labour is captured in projects via timesheet entry or through the Sicon approvals platform, a web-based data entry solution that is available as an additional purchase. Projects for manufacturing. Integrates perfectly into bespoke manufacturing environments to capture stock, purchase orders, timesheets and other costs to give budget versus actual comparison. Alternatively, when combined with Sicon Works Order Processing, this is an ideal solution for businesses wanting to manufacture and install for projects. Projects for contracts. An ideal option for businesses that need to be able to link a Sicon contract to a project to capture invoice revenue alongside standard project functionality to record costs, therefore providing visibility of overall contract profitability. Projects for service. Provides the ability to track the profitability of contracts and service cases, providing greater visibility of costs and revenues associated with a customer contract. Projects for barcoding and warehousing. Enables handheld users to issue and return stock to, from Sicon projects from within the warehouse, with those transactions being immediately reflected against the relevant project. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.